Oh, nice pitch you got there, Anthony. Oh! Look at the sparklers I left on the ground. Oh my god, dude, the snow is deep! That's gonna be fun. Ready, Jim? Yeah. Oh, dude, that's how supposed to go out. Oh, you have another one!
Won't be the last, and won't be the first. Find a way to where the sky is.
Wow.
It's alright and all.
Oh, dude, you are retarded.
For me,
Physically.
begins at
Yeah.
the end of
Michael, don't aim towards a tree.
come and go.
I'm gonna do a smaller one. What's this here? They're the same size. We're done after this. After that one? Yeah, we need to take some shit. Okay, ready?
Oh, God. Oh, my God. That's fucking perfect. Go. I want to see him.
Is it going?
Yes, it should go. Okay.
Just do some weird shit in front of you till it shoots out. Just fuck with them.
Make sure you can.
Up close. Make sure it's going.
It's recording, and I don't feel like recording. Back up. Back up.
Let's shoot.
Or. I recorded that.
Like this.
Oh, shiznitch. Oh, God. Don't shoot the house.
Yeah, I don't want to. Your house on fire. How'd this one go?
Not expecting that one.
That was pretty good.
Watch. What?
Oh my god.
Are you gonna hold it the whole time?
Yeah, it's just that cool.
That was insane.
Oh!
Frappy! I see why they call it a bug zapper. The things fly around and the sparks just kill them.
Not worth $50.
Gunpowder amounts worth it.
Oh my god. We're at 1 minute. We're 1/3 of the way done.
A minute and 57 seconds.